Okay, all right. We quickly drop this video this morning for those of you that are fond of taking signal, either free or paid signal. So this is going to really help you. I want to show you how you should not rely on every signal. So every signal can crash. The signal can can it doesn't mean that you are giving signal. It doesn't mean that you should risk all your money on that signal, because the signal may fall your hand. The signal may not go the way the person that gave the signal wants it to go. It may not go on his or her direction, and that is why you need to be very careful when it's come to taking signal, looking for free or paid signal. You need to be very careful. I want to show you something now. Very quick, you will see that someone gave a signal on gold. You see, gold sell now at 1739 to 1741. SL this, and TP1, TP2. You can see now. And this is what gold is currently doing. Look at it. This is what gold is currently doing. You can see this is where he has people to sell, and you can see what is happening now. The gold is currently buying instead of selling. You can see. So, and the reason why I know that gold we definitely buy is that I went to check the daily time frame. I discovered that gold is actually trying to buy. It's trying to pull up to the top. Gold is actually trying going to the north. I checked the 4-hour time frame. I also discovered the same thing. You can see on 4-hour times, gold is running uptrend. 1-hour time frame, gold is running uptrend. So even if you are trying to trade the pullback, you need to be very careful. If you are not careful, you will just lose your money. You just lose your money. So you can see, and it's even forming double bottom here. So, and that is the reason why I know that signal is not going to work. It's not going to work. You can see. So that's why if you are taking signal, you need to be very careful. You need to be very careful. You need to be very careful, and you need to know what you are taking. You need to know, check the higher time frame to see. So even if you can see now, even if if you see any form of or any signs of selling, it might just be pullback, just like the way it did around this area. So it has, you can see it's actually going back again now. So it may do pullback, but the trend, you follow the trend. You follow the trend, and that is how to trade forex. Not just go in for any form of a signal. Good, sell now. Good, buy now. Without checking the higher time frame, without checking the market structure, without checking the trend. So without checking the market structure, the candle behaviors and everything. So this is what I want you to understand. So, and that is why some people, they just lose their money. You can see a lot of people will have